Hey guys, this is my hydrangea. It's not looking great. It's probably not appreciating how little light it's getting. But I can't put it outside because I already put one outside, it died from the cold. So that was not a great move. This is a spider plant. My cats have not appreciated it. It's not looking great. It looks pretty fucking rough. Yeah, poor thing. And this is, yeah, that's your fault. I blame you. I also just suck at plants, basically. But anyway, this is something. I don't know what it is. My mom gave it to me as a cutting, and she grows them like weeds, and it's fine, and nothing bad happens to them. But the second it comes to my house, it's not looking so great. It also fell down the other day, so that's not very helpful at all. Anyway, these are some new plants I got. This is a Transcendia Nanook. It's really pretty because I haven't touched it yet, so it hasn't got murdered. This is a, shit, what's it called? Something Pictus Silvery Ann. I really have been looking for these, and I think it's pretty. Oh, cat! These are super pretty. Like, I also made a cutting for my mom to kind of make up for how I fucked up the other plants. So, here it is. Also, if you're wondering what the weird little things in my plants are, I have a rabbit, and I heard that the rabbit droppings were very good for plants, so there they are. So, yeah. Hopefully this is helpful. Hopefully you can learn from my mistakes, because I tend to kill everything I plant, but